Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We are delighted to acquire this beautiful Suzuki 1.5 hybrid SZ5 automatic finished in white. Car was registered 20th of June 2022. It's just done a shade over 7,000 miles. It's a high spec Vitara you can get, SZ5. Features stuff like electric full-length panoramic opening tilt sliding sunroof and a electric sunblind and various other high specification standard features such as black leather interior and sat nav. But beautiful car this, registered 22, done over 7,000 miles, really great condition, alloy wheels in superb order with an absence of scuffs. It's got keyless entry, rear privacy glass. It'll come with a reverse camera, hybrid 60/40 split rear seat system. You can see you've got the pump kit there, all lives underneath this panel. The interior plastics etc. in an excellent condition. The rear load area covers all in place, complete with all the fittings etc. But really lovely car this, as you'd expect a 7,000 mile car to be like. This car will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. Presents itself really well, this car. Look at the wheels, wonderful condition. Stunning in the white. You've got this black leather and Alcantara suede interior. It's got electric windows all round with one touch facility on the driver's window and power folding exterior mirrors. Sitting inside the car, you've got traction control, first array of switches we come to, traction control, parking sensors, eco mode switch, lane departure warning, Suzuki radar brake support, engine stop start button. Just take you over some of the controls. Foot on the brake, engine stop starts here. Start, and you can see it's done 7,080 miles. Needs to be serviced, which we will be doing. But on the left hand side you've got tachometer, rev counter with temperature gauge within that. On the right hand side you've got speedo and fuel gauge, digital readout for the speedos in the center, indicators for gear selection there, and as I say, it will need to be serviced. We'll turn on the lights, give you a better view of some of the controls. Left hand side of the steering wheel we've got stereo controls, volume, mode button, which changes between the various sources on this marvellous Suzuki in-car entertainment system. Beneath here, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, intelligent cruise control, radar cruise control, which senses vehicles in front of you and slows the car down as appropriate. You can set up parameters of that through this button here. You've got auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent and auto lights. You've also got paddle shift control, illuminated nicely when you turn on the side lights. Good attention to detail, well finished by Suzuki from an ergonomic point of view. The gears, if you put it into M, you can change up and down the gears using this paddle shift control to give you a more immersive driving experience. To be perfectly honest, whenever I've driven these I just put them in D and the performance is superb. Looking here, there should be a little, yeah, there's a button here where you can adjust facets of this central display here, giving you drive time statistics, clock, integrated storage generator, hybrid technology. It's all there. When it goes to blank screen, if I keep my finger on this button, you go into the vehicle's sub menu and you can change things like how you read your fuel economy, distance in units, temperature, sensors, clock setting, etc., door locks, lights. There's a whole range of TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, traffic sign recognition, display item default, back button to where we are. but a really great spec vehicle. Climate control, air conditioning, very straightforward. Dial in the temperature you want, hit automatic, it will direct the air accordingly and adjust the fan speeds according to the internal temperature of the car. Absolutely fantastic, people love it. Dial in the temp you want, hit auto, does it all for you. However, you can adjust it manually, take it off the auto setting just by adjusting the fan, and of course you can go into the mode buttons, the direction of the air, etc., where it goes. Very self-explanatory. Air conditioning button, reset button or taking air from the outside in, demist on the front, heated rear window. It's brilliant. Good, efficient climate control system. USB plug-in, 12-volt plug-in there. Automatic gear lever, very straightforward. You've got storage for cups, etc. there. Down here, central armrest, beautifully finished on the dashboard with this nice sort of carbon fibre almost effect dash. Just wonderful. And you've got this, which I think is terrific. Electronic sunblind here on this panoramic roof. One touch facility. Look at that. And then we take it back. And we can also adjust, look at that, electric sunroof. It practically goes the whole length. It's that easy. Switch for it is in the centre there. And you've got sunglasses storage there. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Works faultlessly. I've never known a Vitara where one of these sunroofs go wrong. This is testament to its engineering of this car, which is absolutely outstanding. Very reliable, beautifully finished. You've got here touchscreen navigation system, which features obviously DAB radio. So I'm in the DAB. You've got 6 presets per waveband. So if we go to heart, it's obviously different area, but capital there. And if I want to go into the sub menu of all of this and adjust things, just press the cog button when you're in each of the modes. So sound settings, you can adjust bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer presets, how you want to listen to the music. Just back button there. Speed dependent volume control, which will adjust the volume to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back button, home screen, satellite navigation, touch it, map, very straightforward. Points of interest nearby, you can input address, city postcode, press that button, it'll take you there. Points of interest nearby, if you want to find, I don't know, banking and business, if we want to find a automatic teller machine, it'll come up with various options, highlight which one you want to go to, and the sat nav will assist you in getting there. Really good system. And obviously within this, if I press that cog button again, you can go into the finite settings of the nav, guidance and map settings, position and GPS info, my points of interest, geo coordinate format, DD decimal degrees, I don't know, whatever that means, route options there, it's all there. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Obviously, you know, we can take off some of these, clear them. I don't know why that's connecting, but... And you can go into the sub menu there. Again, come up display incoming text message, use phone ringtone. But the names of the people on there can be completely erased. It's also got smartphone technology. You plug in your smartphone in using USB lead, and you can get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's great. All the icons on your phone will appear, most of them, on this display. The advantage of that is that you'll then be able to access WhatsApp messaging. You'll then be able to access Spotify if you subscribe to it. You get millions of songs and albums that are on there. And Waze navigation, Google Maps. Waze navigation offers a good alternative to the Suzuki nav, which is excellent, by the way, but Waze navigation is equally as excellent. I use it in my car the whole time. It works with voice control. The good thing about it, warn you of potholes, stop vehicles, quickest route somewhere, warn you of speed cameras, etc. Not that any of us speed, of course. Sub menu here, Android connection priority, Android Auto, home screen, and then you've got this, which is reverse camera. I'm sorry about the view out the back, but if you look at this, the closer I get to an object, that comes up on the central display. A really great specification vehicle, this, and it's like buying new. 7,080 miles. Will come with, as I said, 12 months Suzuki warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons, as I said to you before, we will take any vehicle in part exchange. Against this car, we will be as competitive as any of the online companies that advertise on national television. Those that wish to buy your car, we will be as competitive as they are, whilst offering you, as I've said, outstanding levels of customer service. Lane departure warning system there. But a really beautifully finished car with an excellent range of equipment as standard. Don't be fooled that the equipment compensates for anything else, because it doesn't. These Suzukis are ever popular, the Vitaras. Fantastic Japanese technology and engineering. A ruggedly built, well-finished car with hybrid technology. Couldn't be better. Offering a really outstanding value for money. There it is. Vitara SZ5 Hybrid 1.5. Finished in white, done 7,080 miles. It's in beautiful condition. Will come with a warranty. If you want to find out more about this wonderful car, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.